Well, good afternoon, everyone. Well, welcome to the Kingdom Faith Adult channel. Well, as you can see, it is very cloudy and windy, but so far I've been catching a lot of fish here so far, even though it is uh, windy outside. Still can catch some fish. It should be somewhere. Let's go to the pool area because I've been catching a lot of fish in the pool area. Let's see there. Been a pretty good week so far. Not too bad, but I am excited. Next Tuesday, I'm going to my very first metalcore concert with my sister, so it's gonna be fun. Um, oh, something there. Fall is right around the corner, so now I gotta start dealing with leaves. Let me see, there's some down here. Nothing. Oh. Well, let's go ahead and do our devotional. Deuteronomy chapter 11 verse 18 says, "Therefore you shall lay up these words of mine in your heart and in your soul, and bind them as a sign of your hand, and they shall be as frontlets between your eyes." And we understand that it is by the grace of God that we understand that we must follow the ways of our Messiah. And I got a fish. It is by the love of God that we ought bring remembrance of what God has taught us throughout all generations. God wants us to live pure and holy. But it is by the will of God that we choose to serve God or not. But as for me, I shall serve the Lord because I want to remember of what He taught us through the Holy Scriptures. It's not rocket science. It's not easy to follow the Lord, but if I want to go to that narrow way that leads to life, I have to follow. I have to follow. So, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.